front of us is called Memphis. Memphis. This is it's docked nearby Guillaume le Conquérant Bridge, as you can see on the top in front of me here. This is the Guillaume le Conquérant Bridge. Yeah, as you can see, the level of River Seine has been risen. This is we just right under the bridge. This is the beam, the supporting beam. Coming nose by nose with Memphis, the ship. This is a cargo ship called Memphis. As you can see, it's not loaded. It's empty almost. And it's just docked here for the weekend. Memphis. This is the anti-friction pads. See, moving of this ship, Memphis. It's 110 meters by 10 and a half meters, and then it carries 2,497 tons. So it's a big ship, as you can see. This is the kind of ship we need in those African rivers, which can move a lot of a quite considerable quantity of goods. As you can see, it's just docked right there. As we can carry on inspecting the ship, going towards the rear of the ship. Memphis. Memphis, the ship.